Welcome to Brunel University's new program to help businesses.
Research, Innovate, Emerge, RIEm is a program started by Brunel University to help businesses to strengthen their abilities for collaborative research and innovation with universities.
We're going to be helping those businesses understand how such a strategy can help them drive growth in their business, help them to develop new products and processes. Long term, we're going to be working with these businesses to help them meet bigger challenges such as net zero, AI and digitisation.
I'd recommend the programme because it's important as individual businesses to be able to learn from each other, understanding what works, what doesn't work, particularly as we're all coming from quite a variety of different backgrounds, different sectors.
I would definitely recommend this to other businesses and people such as myself in similar positions with their companies. The information you can get from Brunel about what they can offer and networking with other people outside of your usual circles is extremely valuable, and I don't feel it happens in many other kind of respects.
Businesses benefit by strengthening their abilities for collaborative research and innovation, or to generate data for a new solution they are taking to the market, and also get public funding from UK research innovation ecosystem or other wider actors.
Well, what I learned today was how exciting it is to meet people from different backgrounds, commercial, non-profit, all with really great ideas and doing really good things, and the opportunity to share them together with the support of Brunel University.
To know more about how your organization may benefit from RIEm, or if you like to collaborate with Brunel University to run an edition of this trademark protected program, please note our contact details.